See, the first question is simply, right, only we have to see exactly how the telescopic will work. Or just we have to take care exactly how we are able to find the value in this, right? The combining the number and all, right? So if you'll see this, right, first number is given 1 square and then the 2 square and so on. So this is nothing but n square upon, right, the combination of term is n square minus 10n plus 50 plus 10 minus n the whole square upon, right, 10 minus n the whole square minus 10 into 10 minus n plus 50. The first term and the last term, right? First term and the last term, right? If I'm combining these two, right, with the number also I can see.
सर फर्स्ट टर्म 1 है और लास्ट टर्म 8 है, तो 10 माइनस n तो 9 हो गया।
सर 80 है, लास्ट टर्म 80 है।
हाँ सर
9 square, the number is coming as, right? अगर एक टर्म नहीं भी है तो मैं ऐड सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लूंगा।
सर लास्ट टर्म क्वेश्चन में 80 दिया हुआ है।
हाँ, okay, so first is given as 1 and last is 80. So if you see this, 80 will not work for this. But see how this is how was this, right? So n square upon n square minus 10n plus 50 plus, what is the value of this 10 minus n the whole square, right? 10 minus n the whole square and the complete, this thing will be 100 plus n square minus 2n upon 100 plus n square minus 2n minus 100 plus 10n plus 50.
सर वो माइनस 20n नहीं होगा?
हाँ बेटा 20, right? So this is 20, right? So what number I'm getting? The same number I'm getting na, ये दोनों, the denominator one. So if you'll see this, n square upon n square minus 10n plus 50, and the second number is coming as n square minus 20n plus 100, and this will be n square minus 10n plus 50. If 2 I'll take common out, so this is n square minus 10n plus 50 upon n square minus 10n plus 50. This is coming as 2. You've seen the number combination. This number is working as f of n and f of 10 minus n, right? If I'll add both the numbers, right, you are getting the simplified form and you are getting the sum as 2 only, right? And ये जो fundamental है ना, इसमें lot many questions they have created, lot many questions, right? When we have to add, subtract the number or something, and then you have to get the number, right? The first and last, second, last, just you have to add or subtract. Just I'll show one more question on this, right? This was For number system, this is a very famous question. You can try this also. When we have to add up the number and it's going up to certain terms, and just you have to add or subtract the numbers, right? Just I'm giving you one example from Arthur Angel se de raha hu, right? I guess it was old question of IOQM only, but बहुत पुरानी क्वेश्चन हो जाने तो दैट इज सेम एज द इनिशियल वन जो हमारे अभी के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं ना, राइट? सीरीज के क्वेश्चन आर सेम इनटू दिस, राइट? So if you'll go through the numbers, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, I guess the last term is the 8 one, the right. So see what you are getting in this. See, the question was, this is one of the famous questions. This is a very and 1979 it was given, but very famous question.
Sir, the method you given, how could we solve the question from it? The
Just
question had till 80.
it's not 80 beta. It's up to 9 only. Is equal to P by Q, right? It was given in 1979. This question was given in 1979. Right, you have to find value of this, or this was given in 1979 divides P, right? Then find value of P and Q. Right, so you have to see the pattern of this, right? Okay, how you'll get the solution on it. Sanjana, this question was not given, beta. I'm just giving you the example of that. It's not only the discussion of paper, right? We have to study in that way exactly. We have to get the crux exactly how the theories are given and how to apply these things into the question. Very famous question, right? So,
Sir, can you give me a minute? I'm just sending a screenshot.
okay, good.
Sir, I have sent it.
Very good. Just a minute. It's downloading. Perfect. Perfect. This is one of the famous question, right? When like just we have to write it down. This 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 up to 1 by 1390 minus twice of, right? I can write the terms as 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6 up to 1318. Is this okay? The first thing what we can write, or just we can write down this as, right? This S is equals to, right? Summation K is equal to 1 to 1319. This is 1 by K minus twice of summation 1 by 2K. K is equal to 1 to, how many terms will go? 1318. So this will be 659. Right? Right? So from this, I can say, right, only the terms are coming as from 660 to 13 of 19. This is 1 by K. Right?
Yes.
After this, right, after this point now, this is S1. This is okay now? Aryan, this is okay, Pratyush,
Yes.
Apani, Anushka, Kurs. Okay, beta.
Yes, sir.
Right, if you'll see this now, after this point, right, the first term for this is 1 upon 660, then 1 upon 661, then 1 upon 662, right? It's going up to 1 upon 1319, right? Right? 1 upon 1319, up to 1319 you are going, right? What if I'm again taking this S1 and 1 upon 1319 plus 1 upon 1318, right, upon 1 upon 660, right? If you add both this, what number you are getting? 1979 in each and every term. Is this okay?
Sir.
Right. Right. So this is, and the most important part is 1979 is the number, right? This is prime to each and every number that's given there, right? 660, 13, 19 and all. Means this must be divisible by 1979. Okay. Okay, everyone. Right. So these type of combination, not just you have to see from the first one and last one, just you have to combine this, right? So maybe you are getting a very good arrangement of the numbers. Right? Okay. एंड ये क्वेश्चन जो था सेकंड क्वेश्चन था वो जितने भी लोगों ने आंसर किया है सबके करेक्ट है everyone is getting this. This is a to the power 4 plus a cube plus a square plus a plus 1 is equal to 0, right? And we know that this is the GP series, right? And from this, I'm getting a to the power 5 is equal to 1. Right? This a to the power 5 is equal to 1. And if the value of a to the
Basically,
power,
it would be 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3.
very good. So a to the power 5 of any of the power will be 1 only. So
That will be fifth root of unity as well, right?
right, fifth root of unity except the value 1. 1 is not satisfying in this. Right? It's a fifth root of unity, but the fifth root of unity is the complex one is coming, not the 1 is coming in this.
So why not 1?
GP का sum.
Original equation was a to the power 4 plus a cube plus a square plus a plus 1 is equal to 0. Right? Original equation was this one. Right? From this only, you are applying the GP formula. Now you are saying a to the power 5 minus 1 upon a minus 1 is equal to 0. Right? Means you are multiplying and dividing by a minus 1. When we are multiplying and dividing by a minus 1 means we are assuming that a is not equal to 1. The first thing we are assuming that a is not equal to 1. So I'm getting this form. So a to the power 5 is equal to 1. So this will give you the 5 roots: 1 alpha, alpha square, alpha cube, alpha to the power 4. Right? Alpha to the power 5 is same as 1. Right? But in this case, 1 is not our recommended answer in this case. Right? We can't take the value 1. Right? Okay. Third one is again a simplest question, right? But you have to be careful in these type of questions. X square minus x minus 1 to the power n is, right, a 2n x to the power 2n plus a 2n minus 1 x to the power 2n minus 1 up to a1x plus n, right? We have to find a0 plus a2 plus a4 up to a2n, right? So very good again, right? 90% of you have done this correct. 90% of, right? Only when we have to find the even one, right? What I have to do, just I have to put x is equal to 1 and then put x is equal to minus 1, right, on this equation. So when I'm putting 1, it's something like this, right? So I'm getting minus 1 to the power n. And when minus 1, this is 1 to the power n, this is 1 only, right? If I'll add both the numbers, what I'm getting, right? 1 plus minus 1 to the power n, right? 1 plus minus 1 to the power n, this could lead to the two values. Either the value will be 0.
0 or 2. If
Very-
n is even, then it would be 2. If n is odd, it would be 0.
Yes, but we have to divide this by 2 also, na?
Yes.
Right? You have to divide this by 2 also, na? 0 or 1, na? 0 for n is odd and 0 for n is, 1 for n is even. Is this okay? Aryan, okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
right?
सर n 1 डालने पे -1 आ रहा है यहाँ.
1 डालने पर कहाँ पे बेटा?
सर ओरिजिनल इक्वेशन में 1 डालने पे -1 आ रहा है.
1 क्या किस पे? x n पे, x पे किस पे n डाल रहे हो?
ओ हम लोग को इवन, ओके हम लोग को इवन वो चाहिए, राइट?
हाँ।
मैं सारा सबका सम निकाल दिया.
a0 प्लस a2 है ना? अच्छा, हाँ चलो, इट्स गुड, आपने ये बात छेड़ी दी तो बनता है. तो अगर इसी क्वेश्चन में मैं थोड़ा सा चेंज कर लेता, एंड चेंज करने के बाद let I'm giving you the question in that way. You have to find the value of a0 plus a4 plus a8 plus a12 and so on, right? all the terms multiple of 4 is going in that way.
सर इसमें इमेजिनरी लग जाता.
क्या लगेगा एक बार चेक करके बताओ जल्दी से. What you have to put? Done.
Yes, sir. Sir, 1 plus minus root 1 plus 4 into I plus 1 whole by 2 कुछ ऐसे आ रहा है.
Very good. See, what you have to do now, just see the difference of these two is what? 4, right? So you have to put x to the power 4 is equal to 1 and x to the power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0 means x square minus 1, x square plus 1 is equal to 0. You are getting x is equal to plus minus 1 from this and you are getting x is equal to plus minus I from this, right? Means you have to put the values x is equal to plus minus 1 and x is equal to plus minus I. I is the iota where I square is minus 1. When you'll put these 4 values and add the equation, you'll get the complete solution. So every time, see the like the previous question, if you'll see, this is A0, A2, A4. So difference is 2. So x square is equal to 1. So x is equal to
It's also plus minus.
very good. That's the reason we have put that one. Right? This will work for each and every question. Right? If I'm giving you the question, see this carefully, now. Giving you the question, A0 plus A3 plus A6 plus A9 and so on. So what values we have to put? So this is x cube is equal to 1.
Means
So,
there are 3 roots, that is omega, omega square and 1.
very good. So every time the question itself will give you the hint ki what you have to put in the question, right? To get the answer. Okay. Next. Question 4th. An plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 1 plus 1 by an. Again, this is one
Sir,
of
इसका 2008 by 2009 था ना.
I guess again this one is one of the simplest one, right? So few of the questions, like you can say that this is the bonus one, right?
Sir, an is equal to 1 by n.
Very good. An plus 1 minus, you have to make the telescopic of this. I don't know, but few of the solution I have seen, like they have tried induction in this case. You have tried induction in this case, not bad, but I guess induction is not like not applicable in each and every case, right?
So how do we find A 2009?
A 2009,
It is 1 by 2009. An is equal to 1 by n.
right? What I'm saying is few times the assumption what you have given now, like if I'm giving fx is equal to 1 square, sorry, f1 is equal to 1 square, f2 is equal to 2 square, f3 is equal to 3 square. what you can say about fx? I'm giving three values. F1 is 1 square, F2 is 2 square, F3 is 3 square. What is fx?
X
X
square.
square.
Right? Like, see, this is like, uh, obviously this is wrong. This is wrong. And most of the people will start from this only. But I'm giving you one beautiful example of this. Infinite examples are there, right? 1, 2 examples I'm giving you, right? Like fx is equal to x square plus sine of pi into x. Right? Maybe fx is equal to x square plus x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. Right?
Sir,
Into ln x into e to the power x. What do we
sir,
get?
कुछ भी हो सकता है सर, कोई भी question.
So with few values, we can't say ki exactly how that will work, right? So maybe wrong होने के chances, maybe क्या 100% wrong होने के chances बढ़ जाएंगे, right? Fifth, let's see this carefully now. This is very important, right? A lot many times you'll get this type of question.
सर इसका 19/2 था.
Yes, Sanjana, this will be 0. But what about f of 1/2 in this case? F of 1/2 will be not 0. F of 1/3, f of 2/3, f of √2, right? That will not follow x square. That will, the sine pi x is also included in this. Nah? So this again, this is one of the pattern when I'm saying a plus b is equal to 1, a square plus b square is equal to 2, right? A to the power 7 plus b to the power 7, right? A to the power 7 plus b to the power 7. Again, obviously, one of the simplest, but sum is given. You can also find the product of the number, and you have lot many method and very good. इसे भी काफी different methods से सभी ने solve किया है and like impressive, काफी अच्छा solution रहा, right? So if I'll say like in this, I'm able to find A into B also, right? If this A plus B is given, so I can write A plus B the whole square minus A square plus B square is by 2 is AB only, right? So this is 1 minus 2 by 2 is minus half. This is my AB, right? A plus B is there, AB is there. Now I have to find A to the power 7. एक ये if you're able to remember this thing ना कि जैसे मेरे को 7 चाहिए, right? मेरे को 5 चाहिए and so on, right? You can try this thing. You can try this thing. तो एक तो मेरे को ये दोनों के प्रोडक्ट्स डायरेक्टली मिल जा रहे हैं, a to the power 7 plus b to the power 7 plus few of the terms are coming as a to the power 4 b cube plus b to the power 4 a cube. Okay. Okay, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Right?
अलग वे यूज किया है. A square plus B square का whole cube.
You can take out common a cube, right? Then this is a plus b, right? And we are able to find this a cube plus b cube easily, and a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4. A cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. All the values you have. This is a square plus b square, the whole square minus 2a square b square. All the values you have. Right? I'll send you the solution. Now, no worry. हाँ, मैं पूरा solution अभी discussion के बाद में I'll send you the complete solution. Right. आंसर में आखिरी में कुछ लोगों के थोड़े से कैलकुलेशन ये रह गए थे. 71/8 is the answer for this. Right. You can calculate this. Right.
तो सिंप्लीफाई करने पे ना.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. Very good. 6th one is my favorite question. You know, मैंने कई बार आप लोगों से भी पूछ लिया है. हाँ.
सर मैंने a प्लस बी को 1 लेके डाल दिया उधर. सर 10 मिनट बाकी था टाइमर में, कुछ कर नहीं सकता था.
See, you can write AQ plus BQ.
-1Q.
हाँ,
A.
minus A. तो AQ plus BQ plus -1 का whole cube is equal to 3AB into -1. We know that what AQ plus BQ plus CQ is equal to 3ABC. Right? One of the basic formula. Then A plus B plus C is equal to 0, or A is equal to B is equal to C, right? And C is nothing but -1. So we have two options, 1 and A plus B is -2. Right? And usually होता क्या है, A plus B is equal to 1. How you are getting A plus B is equal to 1? Sanna?
Sir, I substituted after simplified. They were like much appropriate to book.
Substituted what? A plus B is equal to 1. Huh?
Sir, I've sent my working, right?
Huh.
Like you can check from there.
Just a minute. Yeah, we'll discuss. Yes, right. Seventh again, right? Like a straightforward question, right? This is a straightforward question, I can say, because see, A minus B is in the mod to the power 19 plus C minus A mod 19 is equal to 1. This is possible only if one value is 1, other is 0, or this is 0, this is 1. Right, because AB, like it's in the question, it is given A, B, C are integer, right? Ab integer hone ke, other than this, we don't have any chances or anything, right?
And the positive as well.
Right, very good. So what option we have, right? A minus B is 1 and A minus C, so A is equal to C, right? And A minus B is 1. So if you are putting this as 1, so obviously B must be equal to 0 or 2, right? Whatever it will be, right? One of the case. And second case, again, the same thing is when we are changing this ABC as different, right? So if I'm writing A minus B, B minus C, and C minus A, right? Two of the values will also, always it will be 1 and third value will be 0. So I guess, right, you are getting the value 2. Yes? Yes, everyone? 8th question. Sharp. Numbers are...
अरे इसका सिमिलर क्वेश्चन आरएमओ में आया था, आरएमओ 2002 या ऐसा कुछ.
ये मैंने दिया था, अभी तो बताऊंगा तो फिर वहां से तुम लोग चेक करने लगोगे.
सर ये आपने दिया था.
हाँ, पहले भी दिया था.
सर इसका 10,000 आया था ना.
ये तेरे को आंसर सबके याद है ना?
सर क्योंकि लिखा है सर.
हाँ, वो देखा मैंने. What was the working?
सर जो आरएमओ में था वो उसका सिमिलर ही, क्योंकि मैंने क्या किया था, एक मिनट खोलने दो. सर आपके पास तो मेरा वर्किंग है ना?
हाँ, so explain
sir.
now how you thought about that, how you reached to that
तो
conclusion.
पहला तो हम लोग 1 to 200 जो है हम लोग इसको दो ग्रुप्स में कर सकते हैं. सो मैंने क्या किया कि मिनिमम जो लार्जेस्ट नंबर हो सकता है इसको लेने, ताकि हम लोग जब भी डिफरेंस करेंगे तो हम लोग वैसे लाइक इसको अच्छे से सेपरेट कर पाएंगे. हाँ, तो फिर जितने एलिमेंट्स दैट आर, सो मैंने एजे और बीजे को ले लिया. सो नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स दैट आर ग्रेटर देन एजे जे माइनस 1 हो जाएगा, एंड नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट दैट आर ग्रेटर देन बीजे वो 100 माइनस जे हो जाएगा, बिकॉज बी 100 इज लेस देन बी 99 इज लेस देन बी 98 वगैरह. तो जब भी हम लोग दोनों जे माइनस 1 और 100 माइनस जे को ऐड करते हैं तो हमको मिल जाता है कि 99 एलिमेंट्स जो है हम लोग का लार्जर एलिमेंट में हो नहीं सकता है. तो 19, सो दैट मींस जो लार्जर एलिमेंट है मस्ट बी ग्रेटर देन 99. लेकिन हम लोग को डिसजॉइंट सेट में हम लोग को 100 एलिमेंट्स चाहिए. तो उसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर है वो मैंने 100 को भी उसी में इंक्लूड कर दिया है. तो मिनिमम जो लार्जेस्ट नंबर है वो 101 है. तो फिर हम लोग का
Now
तो
the work is done. Now the
या
work.
सर, फिर उसके बाद जो फिर 100 उस सिंपलीफाई हो जाएगा. 101 से लेकर 200 का सम माइनस 1 से लेकर 99 का सम, 100 का सम.
So only things we have to just assume for, like we have to start for this is that this distribution is possible with this only, and this is up to 100, right? If you assume any of the number like AI is greater than 100, right, and BI is greater than 100, right? Both the natural numbers are there. So total number of the number greater than will be 100 minus some I minus 1, right? Term plus the I term. So total will be 101. Right, so 101 number will be greater than of this case. So that is possible only if I'm taking B100 as 101 now. So if the numbers are given as 101 to 200 for B and the numbers increasing order, or you can thought like you can think in that way, one is in the increasing order, other is in the decreasing order. So numbers are started the increasing order from the lowest one, and this is starting from the lowest one of this, right? So the numbers will be 200 plus 1990, 1998 up to 101, minus of 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 99 plus 100. So obviously this is 10 of 1000. Okay. So again, a very good approach, right? Very good approach. Like most of this one got the right answer for this also, right? Good one, right? But one of the portion is called geometry, right? Geometry is little bit, right? Like we have to work on that, right? Geometry part. So let's start with the first geometric one. In a right angle triangle ABC, right? 98C is on BC and perpendicular. AC and
लेकिन सी एंगल 20 दिया है.
90 बेटा एक बार चेक करो.
Sir,
मैंने
in right triangle ABC, C is equal to 20 degree, M is on BC such that AC is equal to BE. Then D is on AB such that D is perpendicular on BC. Given that DE plus BC is 1, BD is half. Find angle B in degrees.
एक बार चेक करना. मैंने भेजा है अभी भी एक, शायद उसमें कुछ मिसप्रिंट रह गया हो.
सर मैं क्वेश्चन कॉपी पेस्ट करके लिख सकता.
देखो ना, मैं अभी भेजा भी हूँ तुम लोगों को, शायद उसमें मिसप्रिंट रह गया हो. This, no worry, this is the situation, right? You have this now. In a right angle triangle, angle C is 90, E is on BC such that AC is equal to B, D is on AB such that DE perpendicular to BC, and DE plus BC is equal to 1 and BD is equal to half. Find B. Start now. Everyone. You have 3 minutes.
सर तो ये क्वेश्चन बोनस होगा
क्वेश्चन आप 10 देख रहे हो बेटा, मैं 9 की बात कर रहा हूँ।
सर 9 में ही
Sir-
20 लिखा है सर
सर एक पेपर में 20 लिखा है, एक पेपर में 90 लिखा है।
ओ मैं बाद में उसलिए करेक्टेड फॉर्म भेजा था, शायद उसने पूरा पुराने वाले पेपर से किया होगा।
सर
कोई-
वाले पेपर में 90 था।
कोई दिक्कत नहीं, इट्स ओके ना, अभी ट्राई कर लेते हैं बेटा, नो वरी। Let's start. Okay.
सर आई सेंड
Okay. Good. This is a simple one. This is a
हाँ
simple
सर
one.
वो मैं बस कंफ्यूज हो गया था क्योंकि सी को 20 दिया था तो डायग्राम नहीं बन रहा था ठीक से
Done, Sanjana?
So can we start?
Yes. See. Let this is right. This is given. So let this is x, right? And let this is y. And so this will be y, right? So in this triangle, directly we can see AC upon BC. In the triangle ABC is same as DE upon BE, right? And DE plus BC right, is given as 1. So can I write this AC is y upon BC is 1 minus x is equals to, right, DE is x only and BE is y only. Aha. So what is coming as y square is equal to x minus x square, or x square plus y square is equal to x. This is x square and y square, right? X square plus y square is coming as, right? And in the question, it is given that right angle triangle and BD, right? This is nothing but half. X square plus y square in this triangle is half, means this is half square, right? X is equal to 1 by 4, right? X is 1 by 4. And this is 1 by 2. So again, you can find the angle, right? In your angle of sine of B is equal to 1 by 4 upon 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, right? So angle B is nothing but 30 degree, right? Simple.
Yes, sir.
Not lot many methods are there, but this is the simplest one, right? Directly I'm getting all the values. Huh? Okay, everyone. Anyone want to ask? Anushka, Sivang, Vasir, done. Tanay, Om, Divya, Sanjana, okay? Right? Now, question number 10. Triangle ABC. Right? A, B, and C. AC is equal to BC, isosceles triangle, right? Angle C is 20 degree. M is on AC. याद करना, ये लास्ट हम लोगों ने क्वेश्चन किया भी था ऐसा.
सर इसका 30 था.
M is on AC and N is on the side. PC said that BAN this angle is 50, right? And ABM is 60 degree. This is 60 degree, right? This is very famous question. I hope, like, NMB. This is one of the famous question, right? So this is the figure, right? This angle is given, C is given, and these angles are given. Right? So we have to start, right? Like, we have to find this, right? BAN, this angle given as 50 degree, right? What about this angle, BNA? If you have to find the angle B and A, right?
सर वो
50.
भी 50 हो जाएगा सर.
See, this is given as 20 degree, na? And this,
That means बाकी दोनों 80 हो जाएंगे because since it's
You will-
isosceles.
so this is again 50 degree. Is this okay, everyone? Means
Yes.
angle of BAN is equal to angle of BNA, right? These two are equal. First, what is the meaning of this? So directly I can reach on AB, this length, right, is AB, and this length NB, both are same,
Sir, also MB equals MC.
right? MB is equals to
MC.
M of C. Very good. Same, like directly we are getting the same thing, right? Okay. So one construction we are doing. Next, this construction we are taking a point D on AC side, right? So that we can just take right. So D, we have taken a D such that angle ABD, right? ABD, this angle is 20, right? Same, this angle. The same thing I'm taking here as 20, right? Same construction, you can say whatever this is forming 20 degree here, again I'm taking 20 degree in this one. Just a construction we are taking, right? So what I'm getting then, right?
AB equals AB equals BD.
Very good. Or ADB, right? ADB angle, and the same, the isosceles triangle will be there. So DAB angle is nothing but 80 degree. The same projection, right? So we are projecting the same thing by the rotation, right? And DB, the sides, all the three sides, right? So DB is equals to AB is equals to NB, right? This DB is equals to AB is equals to NB. We have already taken this. Means this and this both will be same, right? From this, can you say that DBN is 60 degree only, right? This was a T, so your total is 60 degree, right? Means ये एक equilateral triangle form. This is an equilateral triangle. NBD means triangle NBD is an equilateral triangle. Just go up to this. आगे की चीजें तो अपने आप आ जाएगी. Please note down. This was the question जिसको मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि this was one of the question that was good question. थोड़े से ये एंड फिर जो लास्ट में हमने कुछ क्वेश्चंस रखे थे वो भी एक अच्छे स्टैंडर्ड के क्वेश्चन, राइट? जो पॉसिबली can you find the angle MDN? MDN, this angle. What is this angle? MDN.
40.
40.
Right? Everyone getting this? How we are getting 40,
80 plus 60 plus
right?
theta
Ev-
equals 80.
Yes, everyone getting this? This is 40 degree, right? Okay. And DBN, angle DBN, DBM. This angle. What is this angle DBN? In the triangle, can you see this?
40.
Okay. If both are 40, right? Means again, what we are following from this? DM is equal to DB, BD is equal to DM. Right? So angle DMN is equal to angle DNM, DMN. See this? DMN is equal to DMN, right? And both are 70 only. ये 40 था, दोनों same angles are coming. So angle NMB is nothing but angle DMN minus angle DMB. Can you check this? This was 70 degree minus this angle is already we have found this is 40 degrees. So I guess this
70
is
minus 40 is 30.
this was a good one with the construction and all, right? Like one of the like toughest part, this I can say, the last one. Of right? Very good, very good, very good. So just you have to go through this question at least twice, right? Then only you will be able to just crack this exactly how the things are working on this, right? Question number 11 में एक थोड़ी सी missing थी, right? I'm just writing this. ABCD is a rectangle. Just you have to P is the point on this, right? PA is equal to 3, PB is equal to 4, and PC is equal to 5, right? Find PT. Everyone,
सर मुझे लगा कि PB is equal to PC is equal to 5.
take your time for 4 minutes. You have not more than 4 minutes. Workers, very good. Very good, Krisiv. Very good, Utkarsh. Very simple, and most of the question in IOQM will be the direct question if you know this. Very good. Huh? May I start?
Yes, sir.
See, this is a very, very, very famous theorem. This is known as British flag theorem. What is this British flag theorem? British flag theorem says that if it this not necessarily this AC and BD are the diagonals or something, right? It's given in any point given, and you are able to join all the points, right? PA, PB, PC, and PD. Then this result you always find as working, right? PA square plus PC square is equal to PB square plus PD, right? When the British having the United Kingdom flag, right? This United Kingdom flag is something like it's like this only, right? So the shape of that United Kingdom flag, not the British one, right? The United Kingdom flag is something like that. That's on that only this name is given. This is called the Union flag, right? So British Union flag. So, but that name only that's given that British flag theorem, right? So you have to remember this. Should I prove this or it's okay? Should I prove this or is this okay? Jaldi.
Sir, proof.
Sir, it is okay.
Pratyush.
That is okay.
See, Pratyush, just I'm.
Correct. Sir, proof.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Right. It's a simple thing, right? Let this is like I'm taking this Q and R, right? So AP square and all the like we can go for PA square plus PC square, right? So PA square, this PA square, right, is PQ square plus AQ square plus this PC square is PR square plus CR square. Simple.
Yes, sir.
But we know that like you can interchange this to this, you can interchange this to this, right? The same thing you will do there, right? And this will be common to both. So that's the reason this quantity must be equal to this one, right? Just only we have to reverse this. Is this okay? Right? Okay now, Aryan, Pratyush, right?
Yes.
Yes. Obviously, a rectangle is there and a square is also there, right? Okay. This was again a good one, right? In the rectangle ABCD, C is trisected by F and E. Right?
तो
And
इसका आंसर 3√2 था.
हाँ, 3 obviously. तो डायरेक्टली आ रहा है ना?
यस सर. सर पहले थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हुआ था क्योंकि टेस्ट के रूल्स में लिखा था 2 डिजिट इंटीजर.
नहीं बेटा, वो इसलिए मैंने वर्किंग सबसे मांगा था, लाइक आई कैन सी दिस कि हाउ योर वर्किंग इज गोइंग.
Obviously.
The area of ABCD, right? ये तो एक सिंपल था, बट E is on AB, right? F is on AD, B is equal to 6, AF is equal to which of the following the first area of a rectangle ABCD? Yeah, this was good. This is very good. What
सर
was
इसका ऑप्शन ई था.
very good, very good, very good. Most of you got this answer, na?
Yes.
यस सर 30 60 90 बस लगाना था.
Why 30, 60, 90?
सर क्योंकि वो जो DCB एंगल है वो ट्राइसेक्ट हो रहा है, तो 30 30 30 हम लोग का 3 एंगल्स रहेंगे. DCF एक राइट एंगल है और ECB भी एक राइट एंगल है 30 60 90 का.
So obviously, right, this was the simplest one, right? So that's the reason, right, everyone was getting that, right? And again, 13, again the simple question 13,
13 को मैंने मास पॉइंट से किया था.
very good. And mass points you can do by like midpoint theorem say you can do by vectors, you can do
Define
by
नहीं था.
हाँ.
So उसमें F define नहीं था.
तो मैं हाँ सर, तो मैंने कैफ को मैंने बस ले लिया कि लाइक वो उधर इंटरसेक्ट होगा
That
क्योंकि
intersection
ए
था
बाय
बेटा.
एफ भी है.
That point was
हाँ
the intersection.
हाँ, तो मैंने एफ को इंटरसेक्शन ही ले लिया था क्योंकि
मैं अभी
और
दे दूं एक
हो ही
बार.
नहीं सकता था पॉसिबल.
A, B, C, D, E, F, right? BD and DC dividing the ratio 2:3, right? AE and EC dividing the ratio 3:4, and find AF upon FD and BF upon FE,
सर इसका 35/12 था.
right? Yes. Please take your time, everyone. You can do by geometry, you can do by complex, you can do by vectors, you can do by lot many methods are there, right? Lot many methods are there. You can use like weight theorem also. I'll show you one thing, right? The best is the geometry one, right? So first I'll show by geometry, and second I want to show you this by vectors, right? Already I have done something like this through vectors, right? So let this is origin, let this is A, let this is C vector. So what is this vector? D point. D point will be 2C by 5. What is the point E in this case? Will be 4A plus 3C by 7. Is this okay? Is this okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right? This is the point. Okay? This is origin. Now, I'm saying this OF and FE divide in the ratio lambda is to 1, and AF and this ratio will be mu is to 1. So what is this lambda is to 1? So lambda into 4A plus 3C by 7 plus 1 into 0 by lambda plus 1. This is the point F. Similarly, by the section formula, I can say the point D is this one. So mu into 2c by 5 plus 1 into a by mu plus 1. This is F. Is this okay? Just I'm showing the simplest method, what we can achieve from this. Right? Now both the F point are same, so you can compare both the points, right? So if I'm comparing both the points, so coefficient of A in both this is 4 lambda by lambda plus 1 with 7 times is equal to 1 upon mu plus 1 is the first one. And the C is 3 lambda by lambda plus 1. 3 lambda by lambda plus 1 is equal to 2 mu by 5 mu plus 1. Right? When I'll divide both this, right, I guess I'm directly getting value of mu. 2 by 5 mu is equals to 3 by 4. Mu is equal to 15 by 8. And if I'll put the value of mu, I'll get the value of lambda. And mu is like everything is now known for me. Is this okay? This method is okay. Sanjana, is this okay? C. Right? Pratyus, is this okay? Prasiv, Aryan, Utkarsh,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Katani, is this okay, beta?
Yes.
Anushka, Sivan, okay? So I can apply the geometry also, right? Just I'm showing you without doing anything directly, you are getting the answer, right? For IOQM, like this will speed up your work, right? Right? A few of the geometry questions are still there, right? I'll discuss on this, right? I'm now directly coming into question number 18. Question number 18. Right? What is the sum of all integer n such that n square plus 2n plus 2 divides what? N cube plus 4n square plus 4n minus 40. So I have seen the working, but like, right, I have seen most of the working. So workings are good, but last answer, Minat, you were missing something, right? Most of the answers were wrong in this one, right? That's the reason I have taken this one directly. Yes, please, please. Should I start? Right?
Yes.
So this is n square plus 2n plus 2 divides this, right? When I'll divide this by the method, right? Directly I'm dividing this. So what I'm getting, directly I'm writing this one, what I'm getting on this, right? This will be n square plus 2n plus 2 into n plus 2 plus minus 2n minus 18, right? Means n square plus 2n plus 2 must divide 2n plus 18. right? Or minus of, but I'm writing the plus one, the same thing, right? So this must be divisible. So we are saying that this will be, right? We are getting this, right? So this is divisible. Two of the cases are there, right? Either this will be equal to 0, but n is a positive one, right? Or maybe we are saying that this must be divisible by n square plus 2n plus. So this is possible when I am saying it 2n plus 18 must be greater than or equal to n square plus 2n plus 2.
So basically n square plus 2 must be less than equal to 18, that is n square is less than equal to 16, that is n is less than equal to 4.
Right? Right? So, or you can say mod of this will be greater than this, right? So first of the case, I can say ki minus 2n minus 18 will be 0, or right. So n is equal to minus of 9, right? And this inequality holds for, right? If I'll write down n square less than equal to 16 means n lies between minus 4 to plus 4, right? And n is equal to minus 9 is one of the answer, right? So between minus 4 to plus 4, right? How many options we are getting, right?
Minus 4, 3, 2, 9 options.
9 options. Minus 4.
Yes,
Right.
sir. Minus 4 to minus 1, 4, then 0, 5, then 1 to 4, 9.
But sir, all of them won't work, right?
Minus 3 is working,
Wait.
not working. Minus 2 is working. Minus 1 is working. 0, 1 to 18, 2,
-9.
minus 9 to have done.
Sir, 4.
4 minus 9, 1. राइट, ये तो वर्क कर ही रहे हैं मेरे पास ना. तो व्हाट वी रिक्वायर्ड, मेरे को क्या चाहिए था? सम ऑफ दिस. व्हाट इज द सम यू आर गेटिंग?
Some would be negative.
-11.
Minus 11, yes. So I guess minus 9, most of the, like, most of you are not getting the minus 9 one or something. I don't know. But
Sir, I did long division and I only got -9 as the solution. I didn't check for 2n plus 1, 2n plus 18 is divisible.
2n plus 18 is divisible by n square plus 2n plus 2. So there are 2-3 cases now. One of the case, so you are saying this will be 0, right? But few of the cases are like when I'm saying ki n is equal to 1, right? That is working. See, n is equal to 0, again working. N is equal to 3, 9 plus 6, 15 is not at all possible, right? So just working that way. 19 तो मैंने 2 बार पहले भी करवाया, so I don't think कि, right, 19, the answer is 890. नहीं, 19 मैंने
Yes.
2 बार पहले भी करवाया, तो I don't think कि मेरे को when you are getting this now, yeah, n square plus n minus 2n square, in fact, minus 2n minus 7 upon n square plus 2n plus 2. So just you have to subtract minus 2 and add 2. Then you will be able to reduce down more, right? So if n square is coming now, so very difficult to say anything on this, right? So that's the reason, like, you have to reduce down more. No? Good, 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 good. Good, everyone. Again, the question number 20. 20, most of you, अगर काफी लोगों ने नहीं किए और जिनके हुए भी हैं, राइट, इट्स रॉन्ग, राइट. How many pairs of positive integer a and b are such that a square plus b upon b square minus a and b square plus a upon a square minus b, right? This was it, ना? And मेरे को चाहिए क्या था इसमें? What we required?
Pairs of positive integers a and b.
Right? So pairs of positive integers a and b, right? So कुछ लोगों के आंसर्स, मतलब बहुत कम आंसर्स ऐसे रहे हैं जिसको लाइक करेक्ट आंसर के लिए आई कैन से like 12. Yes, Rishabh, please explain your working.
So 1 minute.
Should I?
So first b square minus a divides a square plus b. So
Very
b
good.
square minus a is less than equal to a square plus b. Therefore, b square minus a square is less than equal to a plus b. So b minus a is less than equal to 1. And so a minus b is greater than equal to minus 1. And then after that, a square minus b divides b square plus a. So a square minus b square is less than equal to b square plus a. So a square minus b square is less than equal to a plus b. So a minus b is less than equal to 1. So minus 1 less than equal to a minus b and less than equal to minus 1. So case 1, a minus b equals 1. So a equals b plus 1.
Very good.
So b square minus b minus.
Three cases are there, right? In this now you are getting, I have seen this. 3 cases. A is equal to b, a is equal to b plus 1 and a is equal to b minus 1.
Yes.
So one by one we have to solve the 3 cases, right?
Yes.
So case first when a is equal to b, so a is equal to b is one of the case when we are saying like all the numbers I'm getting, like I'm putting this one, I'm getting a square plus a upon a square minus a, right? A cancel out, right? So this will be a plus 1 upon a minus 1, right? Or this will be
A minus 1 divides 2.
A minus 1, right,
Right.
divides, right? So obviously,
Okay.
one of the case a is equal to 2 and other of the case is a is equal to 3,
And this will be equal to b as well.
right? So 2, 2 and 3, 3, right?
Yes.
See, now the combination, the answers coming on this and the next one will be like matching up or something, right? Case second, a is equal to b plus 1, right? So in
So
this,
b square minus b minus 1 divides b square plus 3b plus 1.
yes, a is equal to b plus 1, right? So in this case, a is equal to b plus 1, right? What we are getting in this,
B square minus b minus 1 divides b square plus 3b plus 1
b square
minus b minus 1.
b minus 1 upon,
No, sir, divides b square plus 3b plus 1.
3b plus 1. पूरा का पूरा ये आ गया ना, right? B plus 1 the whole square plus b divides b square minus b minus 1. 3b plus 1 upon, as I said, minus 1 plus 1, 4b plus 2 divides b square minus b minus 1, right?
So b square minus b minus 1 is less than equal to 4b plus 2. So b square is less than equal to 5b plus 3. So b should be less than equal to 5. So the pairs will be 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6, 5.
B square minus 5b minus 3 less than 0, right? So
And less than equal to.
can we factorize this?
we can use Sridharacharya.
By Sridharacharya, approximately what number you are getting?
5 plus
P
minus
equal to
25 minus 25 plus 12. So 5 plus minus root 37 by 2. So root 37 is approximately 6. So 11 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 approximately.
And the third case again you have to take as A is equal to B minus 1. Right? So 3 of the cases we have to work on.
So in this one, B will be less than equal to 6.
Yes.
So 5 comma 6 and then 4 comma 5, 3 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 1 comma 2.
Good, good, good. Right. Good. Good. And again the 21st. 21st, so obviously you have to like careful कि ये इस तरह के क्वेश्चन तो 100% you will get in IOQM tests. 100% you are getting this.
So इसमें एक पैटर्न था, फिर पहले into 2, फिर into 2 plus 1, फिर into 2 ऐसे करके.
Into right.
So
Very
उसको
good.
दो पैटर्न में सेपरेट कर सकते थे.
Very good. Very good.
और फिर से एक सीरीज निकलता था उसका, एक सब निकाला था.
Right. This is 1 mod 3. Right. When n is even. Right. And this is 2 mod 3 when n is odd. Right, and even or odd. ये पैटर्न था. एंड यहाँ के बाद से मैंने कोशिश क्या किया था, नॉट फ्रॉम लास्ट 5 ना, यहाँ के बाद से मैंने क्वेश्चंस के लेवल को थोड़े इंक्रीज कर दिए आफ्टर दिस क्वेश्चन 22nd to 30.
ऐसे
राइट.
तो सही है क्या इस क्वेश्चन के लिए?
22nd इजी था.
हाँ.
यस 22nd इजी था.
क्योंकि 2005 का पैटर्न बनेगा 125 625 125 625 125
The
625.
problem with these question ना, that will give you anxiety ना, कि वो नंबर्स इस तरह के फॉर्म में होना जिसमें लाइक इफ दिस इज गिविंग यू एंजाइटी ना, सो दिस इज द आंसर. कैसे?
ओके सर.
Say 22nd is so 22nd is again a pattern based question. How many how many of you got the answer 22nd?
सर मुझे
Write down
500
the answer. मेरे को याद नहीं कितने लोगों का क्या लिखा था आपने. Please write down the answer in chat please. 22nd.
22nd का
हाँ. वाह. ऋषभ, आर्यन, ऋषभ, उत्कर्ष. Check beta. Just a minute, Sanjana. I'm checking this. Over. I have this.
Sir, the question is not in the answer sheet though.
Question is not in the.
It's not. It was not in the answer sheet. I remember solving it though, like before yesterday.
Okay. 2005 to the power 11, 2005 to the power 12, up to 2005 to the power.
तो इसमें ऑड पावर्स में लास्ट 3 डिजिट्स 125 एंड इवन डिजिट्स में इवन पावर्स में 625.
That's it. You got the like main point. Right. So you can say कि mod 125 पे, right, mod 125 पे, one of the like this is coming as 0.
सर दोनों पावर्स में 0 है.
And mod 8 के लिए you have to check the numbers. Right?
Yes.
Right? I don't know how you have attempted this. Like what I'm saying is 5 to the power 11, 5 to the power 12, up to 5 to the
5
power
to the power 2006.
2006.
सर वही मैंने किया था.
A mod of 125 is giving you 0. And only I have to find mod of 8 के लिए what the number I'm getting in this. Right. So 5, obviously I know that 5 square, 5 cube. 5 to the power odd, 5 to the power even always give you 1 mod 8 and 5 to the power 2k plus 1 giving you 5 mod, right? Right? So total number of terms 5 to the power 11 to 5
सो
to the
उसके
power,
लिए टर्म्स निकालने के लिए मैंने एपी यूज किया है।
चलेगा। तो how many terms are there?
सर इसमें रुको एक मिनट
by 2,
सर इवन टर्म्स हो जाएंगे 998 और ऑड भी
998
998 ही है।
4 mod 4 mod 8 ना,
यस सर।
तो 125 250 250 फिर 500 ही रख लेता हूँ, 625 में जाएगा,
सर
750
125 250 375
ये भी नहीं
500
जाएगा, ये भी नहीं जाएगा, ये भी नहीं जाएगा, 500। गुड 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 गुड, वेरी गुड एवरीवन। राइट नाउ द मेन क्वेश्चन, राइट, ऑयलर पी फंक्शन।
सर टोर्शन।
हाँ, यू अप्लाई किया?
हाँ सर।
अरे वाह, आया आंसर, वेरी गुड। आंसर सब लोग लिखना एक बार प्लीज।
सर आप बताओ सही है कि नहीं।
आहा, आहा।
सर मैं लिटरली टेस्ट देने के पहले सोर्स ऑफ ऑयलर टोर्शन फंक्शन पढ़ा था।
वेरी गुड ऋषभ, उत्कर्ष, वेरी गुड। ये तो यार बहुत लंबा हम लोगों ने पढ़ा है, ये तो होना ही चाहिए नहीं, तो बहुत लेंथ में पढ़ा, 2-3 बार हम लोगों ने किया है।
सर गलती की थी एक पहले टाइम में इसमें।
हाँ, ये क्वेश्चन आना तो अपना लॉटरी खुलेगा, नहीं? एवरीवन अप्लाइड दिस ना? कात्यायनी हुआ क्या? तनय, अत्युष?
सर टाइम चला गया मेरा सारा।
नहीं ट्राई किया तो एक बार ट्राई कर लेना।
3 घंटे का वो टाइम सेट किया था, उसमें मेरा टाइम सारा
कोई नहीं,
टाइम
मैं आप लोगों को
3 घंटे में
सॉल्यूशन भेज
टाइमर।
दूंगा। ये क्वेश्चन एटलीस्ट, ये क्वेश्चन आप ट्राई कर लेना पहले, मैं आप लोगों को भेज देता हूँ सॉल्यूशन। या इसमें अब आप लोग देख लो एक बार कौन से क्वेश्चन मेरे को एक्सप्लेन करने हैं 25 to 30 में। मैं बोलूंगा 30th क्वेश्चन आप में से
30
अधिकतर लोगों ने अटेम्प्ट नहीं किया, इसको भी हम लोगों ने काफी लेंथ में पढ़ा था, और ऐसे
सर 30 का
क्वेश्चन
808 था।
ऐसे
सर
क्वेश्चन आने के
सर
बहुत
30 बिल्कुल भी टफ नहीं था।
हाँ
टफ
सर,
नहीं था,
ऑक्टल
एकदम
और
सिंपल
डेसिमल
था,
कन्वर्जन बस।
एकदम सिंपल था। आई डोंट नो, बट कुछ लोगों ने अटेम्प्ट नहीं किए, आई डोंट नो, मतलब मेरे लिए सरप्राइजिंग था।
सर अभी एक बार 30 का आंसर कंफर्म कर सकते हो? मैं चैट में
30
585।
हाँ,
सर
सर
मेरा
मेरा
यस सर 585।
585
सर मेरे 808 आ रहा है।
नहीं बेटा, 585 808 तो आएगा ही नहीं, सीक्वेंस में ही नहीं आएगा
सर मैंने उसको डेसिमल में लिखा था।
बेटा। जो नंबर गिवन था ना 777 बेस 8, राइट, दिस नंबर इज नथिंग बट 511 ना। बेस 8 को 10 के लिए है, एंड मुझे चाहिए था क्या, ABBA का बेस 8। दिस इज 8 में 512A प्लस
सर
64।
लेकिन दिया था ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर लेस देन 1000, तो मैंने उधर से 808 हुआ था, क्योंकि
आ जाओ,
7778 हम लोग का 5 मैक्सिमम हम लोग का 1750 बेस 8 हो सकता है।
513A प्लस 72B, ये नंबर गया ना,
हाँ
राइट। अब ये मल्टीपल में देखते जाओ ना, 513 प्लस 72 इंटू 0 प्लस,
काम करेगा सर।
हाँ बस यही तो देखते
585 657 एंड सो ऑन।
10 है। अब ये काफी सिंपल क्वेश्चन था, केवल वो एक दो क्वेश्चन वो रहते हैं वैसे ना, जो हमेशा यूल गेट के थोड़ा सा एंजाइटी आपको दे के रखें। क्वेश्चन 26 अगेन, ये भी एक सिंपल क्वेश्चन
सर
था।
हम लोग 25 डिस्कस कर सकते हैं पहले।
कौन सा बेटा?
25।
25, चलो
सर
25।
25 में 1 और 1 डाल के वैल्यू डाल दो।
हाँ अभी कर,
या
हाँ 25 में वैल्यू था।
सीधा वैल्यू डाल दिया।
हाँ सर,
तो मैंने नहीं
तो
डाला।
3 ही आया।
और
मैंने
मैं
वो
नहीं
option
डाला, मेरे को प्रत्युष ने आइडिया दिया डालने का।
प्रत्युष
I think
क्या
1 and
सुना?
0 at question 25. 1
प्रत्युष
and 0.
ये क्या
सर
सुन रहा
टाइम
हूँ?
सर
सर
टाइम
3 है
खत्म होने
क्या
वाला था।
आंसर? सर 3 था ना
हाँ
आंसर?
सर 2-1 और 1-1 से 3 आएगा।
हाँ
हाँ
सर।
सर।
हम्म,
सब बट प्रूफ कैसे करेंगे? सब्जेक्टिव है।
हाँ सर।
एक्स वाई डिवाइड्स एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस वन। दिस इज नॉट सिंपल वन। हाँ, दिस क्वेश्चन वाज नॉट सिंपल, राइट।
सर इसमें 1/x प्लस 1/y को इंटीजर्स बोल के कर सकते हैं?
1/x एंड
अच्छा नहीं सर, गलत सोच लिया, सॉरी।
नहीं, वो तो एक्स एंड वाई हमारे पास गिवन है ना,
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
राइट। तो वो तो हमारे को वहीं से चाहिए होगा कि हमें कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे नंबर्स देने हैं जहां से मैं इसकी वर्किंग कर पाऊँ। नहीं, तो ये वर्किंग के लिए मेरे को कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन पे जाना पड़ेगा, राइट। एंड थोड़े वर्किंग पूरे के पूरे लगाने के बाद ही वो कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन मेरे पास आएगा, राइट। सी, अब इसमें हमने मतलब पहले एज्यूम क्या किया कि एक्स वाई जो दिया हुआ है, चलो कोई एक पॉइंट होगा जहां पर x1 y1 इसका सॉल्यूशन है, राइट। जहां पर x प्लस वाई इज मिनिमम, जो मिनिमम वैल्यू दे रहा होगा, और जो मिनिमम वैल्यू आ रही है, लेट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स वाई की वैल्यू कोई भी k है जो वैल्यूज मेरे को मिल रही है, राइट। एंड k इज नॉट इक्वल टू जो भी नंबर है हमारे पास 1 + 1 + 1 3 के इक्वल नहीं, राइट। पहला तो दिख ही रहा है कि 3 हो जाए भाई, 1 1 है, खत्म हो गई कहानी। व्हाट आई एम सेइंग कि नहीं, चलो 3 नहीं है, 3 के अलावा कोई और है। सो k इज नॉट सेटिस्फाइंग द वैल्यू 3, राइट। देन आई एम सेइंग, तो अब मेरे पास क्या हो सकते हैं कि मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि ठीक है x और y दोनों इक्वल टू 1 नहीं है, 1 के अलावा कोई और नंबर है। तो व्हाट केस आई एम टेकिंग कि मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि चलो मैं यहाँ पर ले रहा हूँ कि x1 और y1 जो गिवन है, राइट, उसमें या तो x1 बड़ा होगा या y1 बड़ा होगा। तो एक केस मैं ले लेता हूं कि x1 ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू y1, फर्स्ट ऑफ द केस, राइट। दोनों केस हमारे लिए पॉसिबल है, राइट। इस केस में अगर मैंने डिवाइड किया और मैं बोला चलो x1 इक्वल टू y1 है, जो नंबर आ रहे हैं, ये आएगा x1 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 बाई x1 स्क्वायर। दिस इज 2 + 1 बाई x1 स्क्वायर, राइट। अब ये k की वैल्यूज मेरे पास है ना। अब ये इंटीजर है और उस समय k की वैल्यूज है जो मिनिमम होनी चाहिए, तो मेरे पास यही हो सकता है कि x1 इक्वल टू 1 हो।
x square must be 1
अब जो
इंटीजर
ये हमने एज्यूम करके रखा हुआ था कि k इज नॉट, k की वैल्यूज तो 3 नहीं होनी चाहिए, राइट। और हमने वही चीज हमारे पास आ गया, मतलब हमने जो एज्यूम किया कि x1 ग्रेटर देन y1 वाला है, वो हमारे पास केस वैलिड नहीं, राइट। अब सेकंड केस में एज्यूम करूं, राइट, उसके रिवर्स में कि y1 ग्रेटर देन x1 है, वहां पर भी ये फेल हो जा रहा है, राइट। तो उसके लिए भी ये नहीं गया, तो मैंने कहा चलो x1 जो है वो ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू कोई y1 + 1, राइट। तो अगर ये y1 + 1 नंबर हमारे पास है जिसको ये ट्रू ले रहा है, या इसके लिए वैलिड कंडीशन मेरे पास है, तो कोई दूसरा नंबर जो होगा x2 y1, ये भी इसको सेटिस्फाई कर रहा हो, और इसमें मिनिमल केस जो है x2 + y1 का, हो सकता है वो कोई x1 + y1 से छोटा नंबर हो, तभी हमारे पास फोर्स हो रहा हो कि k की वैल्यू 3 से नीचे और कोई वैल्यूज आ जा रही हो। समझ में आ रहा है यहाँ तक? यही मैं कर सकता हूँ, मेरे पास मैं फोर्स कर रहा हूँ कि भाई इससे नीचे कोई वैल्यूज आ रही हो। इस समय मैंने कहा अगर उससे नीचे कोई वैल्यू आ रही है, तो मेरा x² + y1² + 1, x की वेरिएबल के लिए हमने x लिया, प्लस y1 = k, राइट। ये एक क्वाड्रेटिक आ गया, x² + y1² + 1 = x इंटू y1 इंटू k। नाउ x² - x इंटू y1k प्लस y1² + 1 = 0, राइट। इज दिस ओके? राइट। इसी के जो दो रूट्स हैं, इसी की बात हम कर रहे हैं, जो डिफरेंट वैल्यूज हमारे पास हो सकते हैं। तो अगर वो वैल्यू x1 और x2 है, तो x1 + x2 की वैल्यू है ky1, एंड x1 x2 की वैल्यू है y1² + 1। इज दिस ओके? राइट। यहाँ पर दो बातें फिर से हो सकती है, राइट। यहाँ के लिए मैं जो अज्यूम किया, राइट, वहां के लिए दो बातें हमारे पास फिर से हो सकती है, क्या वैल्यूज, राइट। तो मैंने कहा कि x1 = x2 हो जाए एक केस, या x1 ग्रेटर देन x2 हो जाए, दूसरा केस, राइट। अब x1 ग्रेटर देन x2 है और दोनों पॉजिटिव नंबर ही मेरे पास हैं, राइट। अगर मेरे पास दोनों पॉजिटिव नंबर है तो क्या मैं, ये पॉजिटिव नंबर है, राइट, और यहाँ पर x1 x2 जो मेरे पास नंबर्स आ रहे हैं उसके लिए वर्किंग हो रही है। सो अगर मैं यहां पर भी यही काम करना शुरू करूं कि मैंने कहा कि x2 पॉजिटिव है और x1 भी पॉजिटिव है, तो x1 प्लस x2 में के y1 जो है वो भी पॉजिटिव, और ये दोनों इंटीजर्स हैं और वो भी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर है, क्योंकि x1 x2 मेरे पास आ रहा है 1 प्लस y1 स्क्वायर। मतलब साफ है कि अगर y1 जीरो नहीं है तो x1 जो होगा वो ग्रेटर देन 1 होगा। फिर मेरा कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन आ गया, अगर x1 ग्रेटर देन 1 है तो हमने जो एज्यूम किया था ये वैल्यू 3 नहीं होगी, 3 से ऊपर होगी, वो मेरा फेल हो गया। मतलब मेरे पास सिंपल सी बात है कि भैया यहाँ पर 3 के अलावे हमारे को इससे मिनिमम वैल्यूज तो कभी नहीं मिल सकती। सो दैट्स द रीजन आई कैन से कि द नंबर विल बी 3, प्रूविंग ये पूरी होगी, राइट। व्हेन वी हैव टू, मतलब स्टेट दैट कि हमने अज्यूम किया और बार बार हमने कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन ला लिया कि दिस इज नॉट ट्रू, सो दिस विल बी द केस जहां पर ये ट्रू हो सकता है। इंटीजर है ना बेटा, तो एक्स तो नॉट बैड संजना, गुड गुड। एक और क्वेश्चन था जो अच्छा क्वेश्चन मैं कहूंगा यहां पर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 24।
सर इजी था।
हो गया था,
मॉड 11 बस।
मॉड लगाना था, हाँ मॉड्यूलर। सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्या हो जाता है ना, 24 जैसी जो क्वेश्चन है ना उसमें सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्या हो जाता है कि मॉड्यूलो मेरे को लगाना कौन सा है, कौन
सर
सा मैं लगाऊं कि
किसी
दोनों तरफ वर्क कर जाए।
सर अगर मैं किसी चीज को डिस्प्रूव करना है तो उसमें मॉड्यूल लगा सकते हो, और प्लस उसमें 5 दिया हुआ है, और 6 तो प्राइम नंबर नहीं है, लेकिन 5 इंटू 2 प्लस 1 11 एक प्राइम नंबर है, तो ऑयलर टोशन उधर से लगा सकते हो।
वेरी गुड।
से
मतलब
कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन।
जस्ट जस्ट हम लोग आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं उस नंबर के लिए। 6 में जाने का कोई मतलब रहेगा नहीं, राइट। 10 में जाने का मतलब रहेगा, और 10 जाने का मतलब है कि मुझे 11 के लिए काम करना है, तो 11 के लिए हमेशा ट्राई कर सकते हैं। आई डोंट नो काम करेगा नहीं, ला 11 के आगे के लिए नंबर्स पॉसिबल है या, राइट। हाँ मैं 26 के लिए बोला था, 26 एक अच्छी वर्किंग थी।
सर आप कंफर्म कर सकते हो, एक बार मैं भेज रहा हूँ।
वेरी गुड किस, 26 का आंसर था 12। केवल
तो वो तो इजी था।
एकदम इजी था, एकदम डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन, फ्लैट क्वेश्चन, राइट। तो जस्ट मैं सॉल्यूशन सभी को भेज रहा हूं, एक बार जल्दी से आप लोग चेक भी कर लोगे, राइट। एंड अपना अपना जो भी जहां पर भी गड़बड़ रहा है वो एक बार सब लोग अपना अलग से बना के मेरे को प्लीज सेंड कर देंगे, राइट। क्या
सर व्हाट सर क्या भेजना था?
ये भेजना है पहला कि कौन कौन से पोर्शन में आपको कंफर्टेबल हुए, राइट, दिस इज राइट फॉर यू, राइट। सेकंड, व्हाट आर रॉन्ग फॉर यू। थर्ड, राइट, what type of questions you required to solve, right। ये 3 भी अभी हम लोग करके रख लें तो हमारे लिए काफी काम करेगा।
सर तो पर्सनली व्हाट्सएप में ये भेज
पर्सनल पर्सनल
ओके
पर्सनल
सर, ओके
एकदम।
सर।
हमारी जो भी थोड़े बहुत जो गड़बड़ है वो
सर अभी भेज रहा हूँ।
जितना जल्दी हो जाए बेटा, हाँ मैं आज ही उसको चेक करके रखूंगा।
सर मैं क्लास के बाद भेज दूंगा।
चलेगा बेटा।
सर मैं
इसका ज्योमेट्री का क्वेश्चन बहुत अच्छा है, ये आप लोग को अटेम्प्ट करना है, स्पेशली क्वेश्चन नंबर 27 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 29 इज वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन, राइट। ये 2 क्वेश्चन
सर मेरे आंसर सही था क्या?
सही थे बेटा। ये मैंने सॉल्यूशन आप लोग को सेंड किया, प्लीज। अपने अपने मार्क्स भी आप चेक करके मेरे को सेंड करेंगे, राइट?
सर मैंने भेजा।
हाँ, ऋषभ वेरी गुड। ना फर्स्ट टेस्ट के हिसाब से 38 मार्क्स इज वेरी गुड मार्क्स।
सर मेरे साथ प्रॉब्लम ये हुई, मैं मेजोरिटी ऑफ द टाइम 5
एक मिनट, एक मिनट, एक मिनट, एक मिनट ना, एक मिनट।